This is going to be a very quick video showing you guys where the crankshaft sensor is located on this 2012 Kia Forte with a 2.0 liter engine. So I found that it is a little bit easier to kind of get this shield that covers the sensor off from the top. I used an extension with a 12mm and a 10mm to get the fasteners holding this guy down. This is the bigger hole for the 12mm, and that's the 10mm. They're kind of just against the transmission, and it's in the back right over here. So hopefully you guys can see the crankshaft sensor there. Once you remove that bracket, go ahead and remove that fastener and remove the crankshaft sensor out of the way. You can try to remove the crankshaft sensor from underneath, but I found that there is a bracket under there by the motor mount that kind of gets in the way. So I think this is a little bit easier. To remove the sensor, you can use a small wrench like this. Nothing that has gears on it. You need the extra space to fit it in there and break that fastener loose. Once you do that, follow the wire up and then disconnect the sensor, which is right here. This guy right here. There's a little clip here that you lift up, and once you lift up that little clip right here, once you lift that up, the connector will be free to come out. This right here is a crankshaft sensor. It helps if you rotate this a little bit so that you can get a hold of the ear when you are removing it. Once you do that, just pop it out. Go ahead and follow the wire like I said here, and then just fish it out and remove it. This, all you have to do is just kind of put your finger underneath there, or like a flathead, to kind of lift it up so you can get it out. So that's the little clip. Don't lose it. Just go ahead and pull up and it pops out. Got the new sensor ready to go. Same length, same style. Gonna install it. Just fish it down the hole, and then make sure to connect everything back together. So I'll do that off camera. If you guys did find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all very soon.